If you're searching for a stunning 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, that can go head-to-head with the iPhone in every aspect, your wait is almost over. Nokia is about to launch a powerhouse device packed with jaw-dropping features, like a 200-megapixel DSLR quality camera, and the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, all at an unbeatable price. Yes, we're talking about the all-new Nokia Lumia 200 5G. Want to know more? Stick around till the end, because in this video, we're revealing its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's dive in. Features of Nokia Lumia 200 5G. Display. Get ready for a cinematic experience with a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, featuring a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate and lightning-fast 390Hz touch sampling rate. Plus, it comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. This phone is set to challenge the iPhone in camera performance. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, led by a 200-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. Selfie lovers aren't left out either. It packs a 32-megapixel front camera for stunning selfies. Performance. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor delivers next-level gaming and multitasking, without breaking a sweat. And yes, it runs on the latest Android 16 OS straight out of the box. Battery backup. A massive 7000 mAh battery keeps you powered all day, and with 125-watt super-fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expected to be priced around $600, this phone is a steal for the specs it offers. As for the launch date, no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it's coming very soon.